Skincare by House of Wade, Micro-Exfoliating Roller designed with you in mind. Features and specifications: 0.25mm needle, safe to use on many areas of your body such as your face, neck, arms, legs, stomach, and even scalp. 540 needles to open your pores and promote cell regeneration. Can even be used to stimulate hair regrowth. Ultra sharp tips. Our micro roller will ensure a painless exfoliation. So much so that hundreds of people say it feels like a face massage roller. Cross-line needle arrangement, which ensures the needling pattern is evenly distributed across your skin for the best results. Anti-slip handle grip. Its ergonomic design and anti-slip handle is comfortable to hold without pressure, discomfort, or slipping. Paraben-free, natural, and unscented facial kit. The instructions on how to use it are very simple and easy to follow. Sterilize the roller head in alcohol solution before and after use. Clean and pat skin dry. Gently roll the Dermaroller horizontally, vertically, and diagonally, 4 to 5 times in each direction, in desired areas. Finish with a serum, mask, or moisturizer. Use once a week for optimal results. Replace roller every 1 to 2 months. Note: do not use with active acne, eczema, raised moles/warts, psoriasis, or keratosis. Thanks to its advanced 0.25mm titanium needles and light ergonomic, you can now benefit from this professional instrument right in the comfort of your home. You just found the perfect solution for naturally smooth and healthy looking skin. Make it yours now. Admire my skin, luxuriate in the flawless feel as the dermapen rolls smoothly over your face. Be your own kind of beautiful. Discover the secret to silky, smooth, radiant skin and glowing confidence with this Derma pen. This Microneedle Derma roller for face is easy and effective to use at home and makes the perfect gift for your friend, an anniversary, birthday, or celebration. Premium quality construction. The Microneedle roller leading design is made with the sharpest and strongest titanium needles to ensure safe and effective results when using our skincare tool. Suitable for all skin types: dry, oily, combination, normal and sensitive. Get rolling with your new Derma pen. Anytime, anywhere, traveling or no time for the spa? No problem. Our microneedling cosmetic roller massager is lightweight, ergonomic and fits in any bag. Dermaroller, it's recommended as it's non-invasive and painless. Note: always sanitize your Dermaroller kit before and after every use. Shop risk-free, 100% money-back guaranteed. Feel confident knowing you've made the right choice thanks to our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you run into any problems with our Dermaroller, reach out to our friendly, US-based customer service team. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.